Hello dear traders, Peter White here from TopForexIndicators.com, and today, I've got something truly exciting for you. We're going to take a close look at one of the most widely used trading tools called the Bollinger Bands Indicator, and then we'll explore its improved version called the Bollinger Band Squeeze. And let me tell you something, it is a really cool indicator. It takes things to a whole new level. Okay, and the best part? This indicator is available as a free download, together with a PDF guide that I'll include. Now, let's jump right in. Alright, so, the first step is to add Bollinger Bands to our chart. And here are the period settings that we can see with the indicator. You can play around with them, see how it changes the levels, and we're not going to dive deep into this right now. Once we attach the indicator to the chart, we can see here 3 lines going like this. The middle line is the moving average. Then, the upper band line here expands when volatility increases, okay? And then, this lower band contracts when volatility decreases, so we can see low volatility here, and these bands are pressing close together. And, with higher volatility, the distance between the bands gets bigger. Now, how do the Bollinger Bands work? We need to understand that the upper band is showing us overbought levels. So basically, when the price touches the upper band, it often indicates overbought conditions, signaling a potential reversal downward. Okay, so, for example, here, it reached the upper band and the price steadily went down to the lower band. Then, the lower band shows oversold market conditions. And, when the price touches or moves below this lower band, it indicates that the market is oversold and there is a possibility for a trend reversal. Okay? Now, I really recommend you avoid using Bollinger Bands as a standalone tool, and I believe you should combine it with other indicators such as RSI or MACD. And by the way, you can find videos about these indicators on my channel. These indicators work very well together with Bollinger Bands, or the cool version that I'm going to share with you right now. But before we get there, let's have a look at some of the key strategies you can use with Bollinger Bands. Okay, so you should look for breakouts after tight bands. Okay, so let's say the price was pretty much consolidated, let's say somewhere around here. And then there was I wouldn't really call it a breakout, but the price moved up. We can see a clearer example here. So basically, this tunnel was pretty narrow, and specifically narrow here, in the market consolidated here, and there were various breakouts right after. So, I think it's a good time now to move to the Bollinger Band Squeeze, which is another version of the Bollinger Band indicator. It has a variety of inputs. You can read about them in the PDF that I'll attach with this indicator. But, as with any indicator, you can just experiment with the settings and see what happens. Of course, use a demo account first. So, once we attach the squeeze version to the chart, we can see that there is a histogram with green and red bars, as you see right here. So, let's get to how we read this indicator. So we have green bars showing bullish momentum and red bars showing bearish momentum. We should also pay attention to the size of the bar. If the size is small, it means the volatility is low. And if the bars are bigger, it means the volatility is increasing. Same like with the original Bollinger Bands, put in different form. Okay, so how do you use this squeeze type of indicator? Basically, you should look for these small compression parts where the bars are becoming consolidated. And then you should expect either a bearish breakout where the red bars appear or a bullish breakout where green bars appear. And I'm sure you're gonna like the indicator. And let's just quickly see how it performs. Here was a very sudden price drop, and the indicator showed this, and it was pretty accurate at doing so. Of course, I don't recommend using this Bollinger Band Squeeze indicator as a standalone strategy or confirming signals from other indicators. It works pretty well. You can experiment with the settings, and I'm sure you're going to see how much faster it is compared to the original Bollinger Bands. So, I think you should definitely give it a try and experiment with this indicator in your own trading. Use it to confirm your trade, would it be Forex, stock, crypto, or whatever else you trade. And if you want to get this indicator, please head over to my website, TopForexIndicators.com. Once again, my name is Peter White, and I am really happy to share it. I'll also give you a free PDF that will accompany the indicator. Additionally, I'll be super happy to reply to your questions via email on my website or here in the comment section below. Please subscribe, and comment. It really helps my channel. It's a pretty new channel, as you can see, and I'll be happy to surprise you with even more great trading tools. So, please keep an eye on my next videos. Good luck, and have a great trading session.